Hey, it's time to learn some server-side stuff. We are going to master backend development using Node.js and Express.js. This is the step that makes you from front-end designer or a front-end developer to a full-stack engineer. So first of all, what is Node.js? Let's clear up a common misconception right away. Node.js is not a programming language. Node.js is a runtime environment. Traditionally, JavaScript could only live inside the browser. Node.js took Google Chrome's powerful V8 JavaScript engine and allowed it to run on your desktop or server. This gave JavaScript a new superpower, the ability to access the file system, connect to databases, and handle network requests. Now, here let's clear some differences between Node.js and Express.js. Throughout this course, you will hear Node and Express used together. Now here are some differences. So Node.js is the foundation. It's the engine that executes your code and handles the raw data streams. However, Express.js is the framework we build on top of Node. Think of Express as a pre-built toolbox. It simplifies the heavy lifting of building a server so we don't have to write thousands of lines of boilerplate code from scratch. Now, why is the stack so popular? Why do companies like Netflix, Uber, and LinkedIn use this stack? So the answer would be JavaScript everywhere. You can use the same language for your front end and your backend. This unifies your codebase and makes the development incredibly fast. And another answer can be its architecture, which is non-blocking I/O. So Node.js is famous for being able to handle thousands of concurrent users at once without crashing or slowing down. And next up, we have this thing called full stack potential. Learning this completes your skill set, giving you control over the entire application stack. Now let's discuss some common use cases of this stack. First of all, what we are going to build with Node.js. So Node.js is perfect for REST APIs serving data to your web and mobile applications. Then it is also a robust solution for real-time apps. Because it's event-driven, it's the best choice for chat applications or collaboration tools. It is also one of the best choice for streaming services. Node.js handles data chunks efficiently, just like streaming video or audio. Now let's discuss about the backend toolset. Now here is the toolset we will be mastering in this course. So first of all, we have this Node.js and npm, so the runtime and the package manager to install third-party libraries. Then we will use Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code, as our integrated development environment. Then we will use Postman, a crucial tool for backend developers. Since we don't always have a front-end to click buttons on, we use Postman to send requests and test our APIs manually. We have a lot of exciting ground to cover. We are going to build servers, connect databases, and create real APIs. So fire up your terminals and let's start building the backend. I'll see you in the next lecture.